The boy would stick a piece of tape on his neighbor's doorframe every day. He used this trick to see whether anyone actually lived there. Every time he came home from school, the tape was untouched, which meant nobody was living there. But strangely, every night at exactly midnight, he would hear the sound of someone chopping meat next door. At first, he thought the neighbor had finally come back, but when he checked again, the tape on the frame was still perfectly intact. Not only that, whenever the chopping sound started, he could always smell a disgusting, nauseating stench. All the stray cats nearby would be drawn to that smell and gather under the neighbor's window. What was even weirder was that the neighbor never shooed the cats away. Instead, he fed them the freshly chopped meat. This made the boy even more curious. What kind of meat could attract so many stray cats? So he used a piece of paper to pick up some cat droppings from the windowsill and send it for testing, hoping to figure out what was causing that horrible smell. But the test results confused him even more, because the cat poop contained human fingernails. After thinking it over, he decided he had to find out what the neighbor was doing. That night, he turned off all the lights and sat quietly inside his room. Midnight came quickly,